Whether you are using Android phone or you are using iPhone, consider to watch this video from beginning to the end and see how to make your Chrome browser faster. Let me show you how. The very first thing you need to do, if you are using Android phone, make sure you go to your Play Store. Click on your Play Store right here. So if you are using iPhone, go to your App Store. The next thing you need to do is to click on Search. And the next thing you need to do is to come to Search type right here and type in Chrome. And hit on Search. The next thing you need to do is to make sure you click on Google Chrome right here. Here, if you have an update as far as Chrome is concerned, make sure you download update. And when you click on download update, allow the update to completely download. And once you download update, you're going to experience some little bit of fast in your Chrome browser, because outdated browser can also cause your browser to move very much slower. So allow the update to complete. After a complete update, next thing we want to do is to click on open right here. Then here we go. We are in a fresh browser. Another thing that can cause your Chrome browser to be very much slower and how you can fix it is where you have a multiple tab right here. So click on here and then close some of the inactive tab. So I'm going to come to the top right here. So any of the inactive tab you have right here, make sure you close as many as possible inactive tab. And continue to close them one after the other. So you can close as many as possible. Everything depends on the number of tabs you have. Now you will be free right here. Now, if you have some other thing to do to make your Chrome browser very much faster is that you need to enter Chrome flag. And for you to do that, come to the search right here and type in Chrome. Then make sure you type in : / flags and hit enter. It's going to take you right here. Here, you will need to experiment some of the Chrome flag that make your browser faster. Come to the search flag right here and make sure you type in cubic. Then from search flag right here, make sure you type in quick. Then take you right here, experimental quick protocol. So what you need to do is to make sure, so experimental quick protocol, when it's available for Mac, Windows, Linux, Chrome OS, and Android devices. What you need to do is to click on here and make sure you click on enable right here. And next thing you need to do is to click on relaunch. It's that simple. And if you are the type that always download stuff with your Chrome browser, it is advisable to do this particular last flag setting. Come back to the search flag, type in parallel. Then it takes you to parallel downloading. Click on that. Then it takes you to parallel downloading right here. For parallel downloading to accelerate download speed. It's available for Mac, Windows, Linux, Chrome OS, and Android device. For you to activate this particular Chrome flag, click on default right here and make sure you choose enable. Come down below right here and click on relaunch. It's as simple as that. So with that, you will be able to browse very faster with your Chrome browser. And at the same time, you'll be able to download anything from your internet very fast and speed up with your Chrome browser. It's that simple. For more tutorial, tips and tricks about how best to use your Chrome browser in mobile, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.